and straightforward reviews. Today I've got a very short video on how to enable skip on your Mac in Automatic 1111. You know how you go into some cool image or video that you've seen and they say skip to or whatever. So I'm going to be enabling it for you and how to do that. So here you have it, as you can see for me, skip. You can have skip, clip skip. And what you do is go into settings and then you will come down to settings UI. By the way, some people also have it up here next to it. I like it in there with all the settings. So what you do is come to the settings UI, and from the settings UI you won't have these unless you enable them. So what you do is click the download and you write CLIP, clip. So once you've written clip, I want you to select clip underscore stop underscore at underscore last underscore layers, and that should enable what I have just asked you, what you guys need. And after you've done that, I want you to click the apply and reload UI, and once you've done that, you'll have clip skip in there. Thank you for watching it to the end. If you found this useful, please do share the video around and subscribe. Thank you so much. Take good care. Bye bye.